If you're going to spend thousands of dollars on a hair transplant, wouldn't you love to know what you're going to look like that day leaving from the procedure? Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and we perform long hair FUE. So the nice thing about this procedure is that the money that you spend goes into final results on the day of the procedure. This is a far cry from having your head totally shaved and having little scabs up there representing grafts that are going to grow 6, even 12 months after the procedure. There is extreme excitement when we produce our final results or close to final results at the time of the procedure, and it's unbelievable when a spouse comes in and sees their spouse who just had a procedure completed with near final results. It is very exciting. Give us a call at 678-845-7521 or visit our website at nahairrestoration.com.